numbness in your hands and fingers? Solution number one. So there's so many causes to numbness and tingling in your hands. It could be carpal tunnel, it could be from your neck, it could be from your elbow. So this is one exercise, actually two exercises that can help stimulate blood circulation and temporarily alleviate some of the numbness. So number one, you're going to do the scissor slap. So scissor slap, okay? I just call this scissor slap. It looks like a scissors. So scissor slap like this. You could slow motion like this. Okay. Don't forget your thumb area. So you're gonna go slow motion right here. So you're gonna do this for 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds, 30 times, and then number two, scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers, right? Scrub your fingers. You want to scrub your fingers. You're gonna feel your fingers get warm. That's what you want it to do. Increased blood circulation regenerates nerves, which decreases this numbness and tingling and pain. Make sure you follow me for.
Hi, my name is Eric, and what encouraged me to come to acupuncture was I had numbness and loss of strength and feeling in my right hand, and I wasn't able to play tennis, wasn't able to really grip the racket at all, so I wasn't able to play. And then I'd say in the last 5 or 6 weeks, my hand strength has gone up with the help of acupuncture. Probably 20 pounds of strength, and I'm able to play again. So it's been a success for me.
You got numbness, tingling down your legs, then you want to do the Kung Fu kick to increase the blood circulation. Get rid of that numbness and tingling, all right? So this is an exercise you can do every single day. I'm going to do it for standing in front right now, and what you're going to do, make sure you have your balance. You're just going to do a Kung Fu kick, okay? You can do it, Kung Fu kick. Kung Fu kick, you're going to do it 50 times. So each leg kick 50 times, right? So if you look from the side, this is what it's going to look like. You can basically get your balance, and Kung Fu kick, right? And get it side, right there. Get your legs straight. You don't have to kick so hard, don't hurt yourself, don't fall, but you can just do it like this, right? Slowly, and you can kick it low if you can't go high. Like I can't go very high, so I'm going to kick it low. What this does is it stretches out all the muscles, improves the blood circulation. The reason why you're having those numbness and tingling, one is circulation issues down your legs, but it also could be a pinched nerve down here. And so by doing these Kung Fu kicks, it starts to loosen everything, all in your legs and even in your sciatica, in your lower back, your tailbone. So do 50 times, right? If you need a chair, like you can have, let's say, if you need some support, you can grab a chair. I'm going to grab a chair right here, and you can kick like that, right? Just do it 50 times every single day, okay? And you can get higher and higher and higher as you go, right? Give this a try. Let me know how it works. Make sure you follow me here on TikTok.